Morning everyone. So today, where is it? There it is. The M3 is off to Germany. We are going to go Project Rouge Motorsport, where the car will be finished by a lovely friend who offered to help me with it. So Joep is here. He also has a wonderful Instagram channel where he does very nice videography. So link him up as well. As thanks for helping me out. All we have to do is strap down the car and we're ready to go. Oh yeah, doesn't go any further forward because, you know, big ass car. Right, let's finish. Hello everyone, we're making a quick stop and all is going. It's still on the trailer, so that's good. The Dodge is having some fun pulling it. It's also good. So yeah, quick little rundown. Firmly in place, so that's not going anywhere. This is nice. I could tell you where we are, but I don't actually know. I usually just drive past here and go whee! So, yeah. Anyway, just a quick pee break and we'll continue on. Made it to Project Rouge Motorsport with the M3. Martin's over in the corner. And here we have the wonderful G82, which is stupid fast. Right, Martin? That's stupid fast? Could be. Possibly the fastest G82 on the Nurburgring? Debatable.
Depends if who's driving.
And, well, definitely not if I'm driving.
Might as well park it up.
Yeah, probably would be better. Anyway, it's here to keep the other cars company. Don't know what it's actually here for. So yeah, this is a serious piece of kit with serious kinematics, suspension, all
a few lightweight bits,
some aero, but all to the wishes and standards of Martin, doing his thing, building fast cars.
She's no slouch.
No.
Yeah.
How much power was in it?
691.
Yeah.
Kept the torque as well. I think it was 840.
Foot-pounds.
Yeah. No.
Newton meters.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
That was foot-pounds. The gearbox would.
The gearbox would say no.
I mean, the ZF8's good, but it's not that good.
Just running a little bit of camber. Nothing crazy. Right? Just a little bit.
Just a little.
Some battle scars, because race cars have battle scars.
Yeah.
That was a fun one last time out. So this thing is stupid fast and real fun.